Hey, my friends. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, why is there no camera? Testing. Okay, great. Camera is on. Let's go, my friends. Okay, ADP is very weak, huh? Tesla spiking up a little bit, same as VIX. For now, still alright, I think. Hello, Luis. Hello, my friend. How are you? ADP result is so weak. I think I need to make the background a bit darker. Okay, can. Okay, VIX is coming up. NVIDIA very close to the zone already. Extremely close. Okay, I will set one more alarm for NVIDIA. What else? AMD also coming soon. Okay, nice. Apple, any swing today, huh? Let me scan through first, huh? I haven't really scanned through the charts. Let me scan through. Possible Meta looks like, it's at the trend line. But of course, I would love to see Meta coming to about 705 if possible. Maybe 705. As of right now, because the ADP result is very weak, hopefully tomorrow the NFP result will be much more better. Because ADP is like a outsourced company, they go and measure the employment rates and the job being added, all that. But today the result came out was quite shocking. It says that 33k of jobs is actually lost instead of being added. That's why the market is actually reacting a little bit. But no matter how, NFP is still the most important result. Yeah, we have to wait for NFP. But today looks like quite a lot of things are pulling back, huh? Even Palantir also pulling back. What else we have? Okay, RBXL also pulling back. Yeah, the safest option is actually to wait until tomorrow's NFP result, because the ADP result, right? If I'm not wrong, the last month is also quite bad. Let me see. It's so off from the forecast though. The forecast is 99k jobs being added. The real result came out negative 33k. Let's see, I remember last month was also quite bad, is it? Last month, last month they forecast 111k jobs to be added, but then the real result is 37k. It's also quite bad, but then the NFP result is good. So if you look at the last month result for NFP, why is it not loading? Come on. Here. Okay, so if we go back, right? Yeah, last month they forecast 126k, but then the real result is actually 139k. So hopefully tomorrow our NFP will be good. Unemployment rate also will be good. That's when we'll see the market going up. But if the actual results is so far off from the forecast of 120k, I think we'll see a pullback in the market. Okay, so be a little bit more careful on that part. Oh, Luis, what thing is actually lagging? Is my chart lagging or is my screen laggy? Let me try. Quite laggy, huh? Which part is actually lagging? Can you tell me? Oh, you think okay already? Okay. I think just now was because it's actually loading. Investing.com, sometimes it loads a little bit slower. Yeah, market, a lot of instruments are pulling back as of right now. I think likely lah. We will see some movement tomorrow and not today. Today, are you looking at any instruments or not? I'm trying to scan through my charts and see what we have. Visa also pulling back. Market seems to be moving up. Richard, so far I haven't find anything interesting yet. But I do think that today market won't move a lot because tomorrow we have unemployment. We also have NFP. And today the ADP result is quite bad. A bit shocking, huh? But MRK looks nice though. MRK. This might be the start of a big up move for MRK. Yeah, something for you, you know, maybe if you like, can set the alarm. Maybe I'll set it somewhere here. Okay, how many more minutes? Okay, 9 more minutes. 9 more minutes to market open. Are you all looking at any instruments today? Market like no opportunity for me leh. GE, anything for GE? Nope, nothing here. Oh, yesterday all the healthcare stock is so strong. Super duper strong. Okay, ARM is also pulling back. Yeah, but no setups for ARM. Although I like ARM a lot. I like to trade it. It can move quite fast. Freshpad also nothing. How about Dell? Also pulling back. Wait, BNTX is the only healthcare stock that... BNTX is a healthcare stock, right? If I remember correctly. I forget liao. Beach Boy, Tesla. Wait, one moment. I come back to Tesla shortly. Because I'm still scanning through. Okay, Delta Airline. Delta Airline is another nice one. So MRK and Delta Airline. Okay, Delta Airline. Okay, okay, Beach Boy, you... Are you... Okay, Tesla, I think there might be some news regarding to Tesla. That's why, you know, it went up quite a bit. You went to short Tesla, huh? Why you went to short? Okay, I'm almost finished. Almost done. Good, nothing also. What can we trade today? Today chit chat lesson again, huh? TTD is nice. TTD. Another one that you can keep on your watch list. TTD. Let's see the daily chart. Okay, daily is breaking out. Nice. Okay, which one is actually lower? Let me see this part. No, which one is lower? This is 65.55. This is 65.5. Okay. TDD need to wait for a little bit. Richman, I'm from Singapore, my friend. Where are you from? I think a lot of people here are from Singapore, maybe a few Malaysian. Okay, just now someone says about Uber, right? Nasi goreng. Uber, huh? Okay, Uber looks good though. It's going up. Oh, nice. If you are in Uber, congratulations, my friend. This is really not bad. Really not bad. Yeah, the next target. Let's see on the weekly chart. Got any target or not? Weekly. This is nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is nice. Okay, let me take a picture of this because maybe I want to explain this inside my course. One moment. Oh, nice. Okay, Uber, right? If you are in, I think the next target you can try about 100. I think $100. $100 will be a good psychological level, you know, to at least take some partial profits. Yep, definitely $100. But so far it looks good. It looks like more upside from here coming soon. Okay, wait, Void. Hold on, I need to, you know, answer Tesla first. Okay, Tesla, I think, is Donald Trump and Tesla, is Donald Trump and Elon Musk still fighting? Are they still fighting? If they are, just be careful, okay? This up move might be a fake one. After it will dump even lower. Just be careful on this part. For now, I still don't have a setup, you know, to long or short Tesla. Really don't have nothing. And zero. I would rather wait. I will definitely not buy here, my friend. Even yesterday there was some opportunity. I will not buy. Oh, Tesla got good news. What good news? The production thing, is it? Just now I think I also saw one. In June, Tesla vehicle sales rose 0.8% year over year. Is it that news? Yeah, but for now I will still wait. I will still wait a little bit. You know, relax. I don't think Tesla will go very far away. Oh, Trump asked his team to check how much subsidy Musk got from the federal government. Aiyo, later on they're going to fight again. Trump doesn't like it, you know, he go and fight with Elon Musk again and that's it, GG. Guys, just be careful on that part, okay? Regarding Tesla, as long as the both of them are still fighting, a lot of things can change really quickly. Super duper quickly. Okay, then we go to Pound Yen. What was it, Would you enter Pound Yen now? No, I won't enter because of this huge ass red color candle. Okay, I will wait for, you know, to see whether this support hold or not. If this support hold, maybe I will enter. So you try to see maybe something like this one. If you see this one, maybe can enter. Yeah, beach boy, chill, okay? Chill, relax. Tesla not going anywhere. This spike doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean that, you know, it will continue to go up. Ayo, Nvidia. Okay, no worries, Void, no worries. I really got nothing much today also. I'm still in my positions. I'm still waiting. Maybe, okay, Meta. Meta, another one like your Pound Yen, you know, is at support. Market open already. And then, you know, you can see, look for some sign of rejection here. After that, this one might start to go up again. But of course, guys, remember tomorrow got NFP, So number 4 is Meta. Okay, Meta, I will set the alarm for Meta in case it comes up to about 718.88. 45. This one looks like it's going down as of right now. Be careful, my friend. Be careful. Spotify went up quite a bit though. Yep, just be careful. You are breaking out soon already. Very, very, very soon. You see? You are breaking out now, my friend. Just be careful. This one can go a bit lower maybe. But also this part can access your support and then it starts to go up as well. So usually when it comes to a trend line, I like to wait a little bit. You know, don't take any trade as of right now. Just wait for and see what it does over here. Because usually what you can see is that it will break out, consolidate. When I see this, that's it. I think likely more downside to come. Okay, AMD like going up a little bit. Let me set the alarm. I also have to lock in my account. Let me see. Okay, today's still positive. Like, not bad though. The ADP, like, not much of an impact. Yep, so far so good. So far so good. Okay. Hello, Poki Doki. Hello, my friend. Nice to see you again. Oi, Meta alarm triggered so fast. Maybe support. How is SPY? How is SPY? SPY, is it going up? Nope, SPY is not going up. How about QQQ? Going up a little. Meta. Wait, why I cannot pull out the chats anymore? Come on, TikTok. Don't play this kind of stunt on me, Ken. Why I cannot? Wait. What happened to my... Oh, I can move already. Okay, Void, did you have to pay any money to link monitor to mobile for setting alerts? Okay, trading view you don't have. Okay, let's say for example, you just right click on the trend line or something, right? You click on set alerts and then you go to this notification tab. This notification, right, you can select these three, like notify in app, show toast notification and send you an email. So you will receive 3 notifications in 3 different places. Like for me, just now when my computer, the alarm actually rang, right? My mobile phone will receive, I will also receive an email. Yeah, but the email one is actually up to you, whether you want it or not. But for me, I just select these 3. Yeah, this is the power of TradingView. Yeah, sometimes, you know, because I also listening to my own music and something, at times I couldn't, you know, hear the notification. That's why I always check my phone instead. Okay, MRK alarm triggered. And Meta also triggered. Okay, Meta, are we at support or not? Let's look at the past data. Possible, Possible, I think I will wait for this hourly candle to close before I decide I want to buy Meta or not. Then, oh yo, SPY coming down, SPY is dropping a little bit. Haha, you should open your own club. Open my own club. Actually, I have a lot of friends, you know, they joke me, ask me to open pub together. But I don't know whether is it good business or not. Really, I don't know. Because the ones that I know, like open pub, they always change into like different business every year or so. Wait, this Nvidia so strong eh. My god. Never hit support run now, huh? Must see area also. You open pub is it? You open club is it? But selling alcohol is definitely good, huh? Can make a lot of money. Okay, Apple is still strong. Amazon, so-so. Meta, so-so. Google, also so-so. Microsoft, okay only. Haha, Adobe going to dump even further. Goodbye, Adobe. Bye-bye. AVGO. AVGO. Any place to buy AVGO or not? No place to buy AVGO. Okay, MRK alarm triggered. Okay, I will set one more. At this high and see what it does. Okay, I will delete MRK. Friends, like open 1 month, close already, cost 2 Ulu. Yes, the one that I know also the same. Open like 1 year, they change business name, this and that, like not easy to do though. Okay, my Visa, what is it doing? Okay, move the alarm a bit higher, move to here. Oh yo, what happened to CRM? Okay, Nike here. Nike good lah, huh? My friend, good lah. Really, really good. After earnings, it didn't pull back, right? It's a super good sign already. Really, really good sign. This one can be like, what trade, huh? Okay, you just look at this, okay? After a huge move, it didn't really pull back a lot. Okay, I remember my Disney, I remember it was Disney. This part. Let me see. Okay, bro, you remember that part, huh? You just look at Disney. Disney also doing Nike is doing something like Disney. So, you know, after earnings, it comes all the way here. Didn't actually pull back a lot, okay? Can you see or not? Let me zoom even more. So after earnings, it didn't actually pull back much, and then it will start to go like that for at least I think another 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yeah, I think your Nike is fine. Usually that's like a very, very good sign. Big earnings, go up, never pull back. You can expect it to go up for another 2-3 weeks. Maybe by then you know, it will start to pull back. So for earnings is here to here. This is like 9 days. So yep, you can more or less, you know, maybe hold it for another 2 weeks or something. Look at how much Disney went. It's really a lot though. Yeah, Pine, are you in Nike? If you're in Nike, congratulations to you, my friend. You make very, very nice profit. IAU. Oh, this one is gold. Nice. Gold. Go, I would say on the hourly chart, right? You try to look for some consolidation here. If you do get that consolidation, maybe you'll see more upside already. But if you don't see that, just be a little bit careful, because if I go up to the 4 hours time frame, right? This might be your complex 3-wave structure. So this is like your A wave, your B wave, and then your C wave from here before it will start to go. So as of right now, I can't really tell. But if you see consolidation on a 1 hour time frame somewhere here, right, it will definitely be a good buy. Because first of all is if you put on this trend line, you can see that you broke out, but then without any consolidation is usually not a confirmation. Sometimes, you know, the chart can break out a little bit and then it starts to dump again. But I think looking for upside is better as of this moment. Bobby, today I'm actually looking at with us spy. Okay lah, not bad lah. Holding well. We are about 11 minutes in already after market open, so definitely looking good. Okay, I want to buy Nvidia. I want to buy AMD. I want to buy Meta. Okay. But I have to wait a little bit for these three. Hello, Dylan. Not bad. Today, let me see. Account, okay lah. Account still positive. Okay lah. Nothing to worry about. So still okay. Dylan, hope you are also doing well. Okay. Sorry, I'm newbie here. Can you explain in simple terms? Okay, which one do you want me to explain in simple terms? Basically, what we are doing here, right? We are trading stocks. Okay, live trading stocks. Most of the time it's stocks, but of course, we do a little bit of like cryptocurrencies. We do a bit of, let's say, stocks, Hong Kong stocks, China stocks, US stocks, but mainly focus on the US part. Yeah, so a lot of guys over here, they are also traders. So they come here, you know, go and listen to what I buy, what I think about the market and everything. Bobby, why not you make a guess? If you guess it correctly, I add you into my group for free for 1 month, okay? I heard many people say play option can earn a lot of money, but I don't understand how it works. Okay, option is another level. So firstly, right, will be good that, you know, you try to at least learn how to buy and long and short stocks rather than options. Options is slightly more complicated. Once you are good with, you know, you can make money purely by buying and shorting of stocks, you can start to go into options. Yes, H2O, I trade full time. I look damn young, your voice even younger. Yes, everybody tells me that, okay? Okay, I just let you know lah. I have roughly about 11 years to 12 years of trading experience. So y'all can make a guess, okay? I know I look very young when I do business and everything. All the business owner, right, the very first time they see me, they always ask me, boy, how old are you? That's always the very, very first question. So it's a norm for me already. Although at my age, you will be shocked that I go and, you know, help my dad to buy cigarettes and everything. The cashier will still ask me for my NRIC. You'll be shocked, really shocked. Aiya, Bobby, why do already someone got give you clue already? I said 24, you add another 10, 34 lah. I'm turning 34 this month, okay? On the 15th of July, I will be turning 34, okay? Some of them, because that day I show them my income and something like that. Then after that, I think some of them, they screenshot my IC. Initially, they didn't believe. I was born in the year of 91, okay? 1991. Yes, I'm really 34, really. I know, even at my age, when I go and buy cigarettes for my dad, trust me, the cashier asks me for my IC, I want to laugh, you know. Should not teach trading, why? How to be young? Okay, can. Maybe I can share that secret also, huh? By the way, I don't I don't do anything though. Really don't do anything. I think Asian, huh? All Asian looks quite young. Okay, if you want to trade stocks every day, how much money is needed? Okay, to be honest, right, the money part is actually not important. As long as you have about 5,000, 10,000, you can trade stocks already. Okay, but most importantly, right, is that you need to learn how to trade first. Because if you don't learn that, right, even you have 1 million, 2 million, 10 million, you will not be able to make a single cent. It's never about the money. It's about learning first. Your genes damn good, huh? Your siblings and parents also. I think so lah. My dad, he is 75, but he is super duper healthy. Okay, if you go and run 2.4 with him, I think you might lose, you know. Whenever I run with him, I ask, hey, you go ahead lah. I need to rest already. I cannot run anymore. Yeah, he's 75. He still practice martial arts and everything. Yes, buy low, sell high is not as simple as that lah. You will need to learn more than that. So over here, I myself, I practice alert wave. So I have like 3 strategy. One of it I call it the price action strategy. I have no idea what to call it lah, but then it's just purely like technical analysis where I use simple things like trend lines, EMA, SMAs, RSI, what else? VWAP, looking at candlestick patterns. So I categorize that whole thing into something called price action strategy. Then my main one is actually alert wave, followed by smart money concepts. So I combine everything together. Yeah, Bobby, thanks, thanks for the compliment, and thanks for the follow. Thank you guys. Okay. APLD. What's my account size? You guess correctly. I add you into the group. Okay, APLD. Okay, this one looks good though. Looks like quite good. Let me see on the daily time frame. Yeah, hey, wait. Okay, one thing I like about this is because on the daily, right? Daily, you are at somehow like support already. There's a lot of support area around here. And then if you drop down to the 4 hours time frame and 1 hour, I think 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour you can draw on this trend line. If you do get a breakout, maybe you can buy. Okay, just be a little bit more careful because of how it's developing, right? As long as you don't break out over here, don't have confirmation, this APLD likely, it can do this very, very slow crawl down all the way breaking this low over here. So this is quite possible. Because of the wave structure, this looks like an impulse, a correction, another impulse to the downside. What breakout mean? Breakout, okay, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but then breakout is like, you get a solid candle that close outside here, outside of the trend line. But of course, you don't, because of a candle closing outside, then you go and buy the trades right away. You need more confirmation than that. Okay? H2O, quite close. Okay? So if you want to come in, CC, look, send me a DM lah. I add you in, okay? 30 days. Siro, okay, OSCR. Oscar Health. Oscar Health, okay. At this current moment, is there any news news regarding this stock? Ah, okay, because got this underweight news. $17 per share by Barclays. 17. Oh, okay. No wonder it came down a little bit. Okay, you do have a FVG here, which is your fair value gap, but then I don't know whether it will hold or not. So if you're aggressive or what, you can try to wait for a little bit, wait for it to come down to about the 50% zone. You buy, just place a small stop loss here. Okay, then you see whether this stock will fire off or not. Okay, how's my stocks doing? Oh, you DM me already. I think I should have, saved the link somewhere. Let me see, I can, straight away send it to you or not. I should have it somewhere. One moment, huh? Okay, no worries. A lot of people texted me, so I just go to someone's message and then I copy and paste. Okay, bro, do you have this app called Discord? If you don't have, go and download the app first, okay? Download the app before you click on to this link. If not, later after you go in, I think there will be some issue. Then it will be a little bit difficult for you to, jump into the group. Okay, I sent you already. If you have 20k, wait, huh? Let me see whether I got missed any comments or not. 100k. Louis, too far off already. Louis, are you inside the group? I think you are inside, right? If I have 20k, what stocks should I buy? Okay, I would always advocate that if you are someone who has totally no trading experience, right? You don't know how trading works, don't know how to invest and everything. Just buy this instrument called VOO. Okay, it's basically the S&P 500 index. Okay, whenever you have money, just buy. Whenever you have money, just buy. Hold it for 10 years, 20 years, that kind. Okay, and then if you can hold maybe 20 years or something, you will make money because averagely the returns for S&P 500 is about 10% every year. Okay, but of course, if you want to learn even more, you can follow me. My own course is going to be ready by end of this week. I'm trying to target by Friday because Friday is a public holiday, right? I don't have to live stream. Then I can fully focus on building the website. All the videos more or less I think is done already. So you'll learn 3 strategies. Okay, so I will teach you how to combine everything together. Then there will also be a mentorship for at least minimally 1 year. Then throughout that 1 year, as and when you have any questions, just drop me a WhatsApp text, okay? And then just give me a few hours in advance, okay? And then if you need a one-to-one or anything, let me know. We can do it anytime, okay? No limit. Yes, I'm selling courses now. Online courses. It's an online recorded video. Then where's my website again? Okay, it's not really done up yet, but then how to go back to that page? Home page. Let me see. And so over here, currently I have about 53 lessons. But then because there's one more strategy called the smart money strategy, that one I have not added the video. So I think after adding in maybe about 70 videos around there. Okay, for now I put it at 2688 Sing dollar. Okay, Sing dollar, not USD, huh? Oh, Palantir, go back to 140. Can. Oh, sorry, I'm coming to you. Oh, Louis, you are not inside. If you want to, come inside, have a look, drop me a DM lah. Palantir. I think we'll go back to the 140 range, but just wait for a little bit because market seems like, you know, it's dropping a little. Oh, you bought at 129, huh? You bought at 129. 129. Oh, you bought it right at this low. Ah. Good job, my friend. Not bad. You can move to break even already. Yeah, you can move to break even now. Nothing to scare already. Just move to break even. Okay, I do expect a larger pullback for Palantir. I think maybe at least coming to about this like 0.382 FIB level. So about 116.5. Okay, then but I don't know whether, you know, it will go there or not. But of course, if I were you, you bought at such a good price, I move to break even already. Really move to break even. Because in case Palantir, if really to pull back, right, at least you take the break even, then you wait for it to come down to about the 0.382 FIB level, which is somewhere here about 116.5 around there. Then you start to look to buy again. I'm the one, buy UNH, now Lululemon. Okay. Oh, are you the one who, you know, buy UNH using an option? Are you the one? Because previously when UNH dump, a lot of people come and ask though. Then after I told everyone to actually use an option, buy for maybe 1 or 2 weeks. Yep, this was the part. I think somewhere around this dump, a lot of people come and ask. So I told them to buy an option for 1 or 2 weeks, capitalize on one impulsive move and get out. Don't hold it anymore. Oh, you bought at 278. 278, you sold at 315. Okay lah, good there, brother. Very good already. Ah, nice. 293, I think you took this breakout here, right? I think that day, are you the one who go and ask? Come and ask? Somewhere there. Okay. Very nice, brother. Very nice. Now Lulu, how is it doing? Yeah, Lulu for now really no setups for me. Yeah, this is the type of stock that I don't really like. The reason is because although it beat earnings, it dump, right? After dump, no recovery at all. At least for a stock that, you know, beat earnings, I would like to see some recovery. But no recovery, this one, usually it can keep going down for quite a while before, you know, you see some sort of relief rally. Epic comeback. Okay, good. 12 days negative. Ah, okay. Bro, I think I remember. I think you were the one who came and asked. Good. Okay, at least now you're making money. Good, right? Okay, let me check my phone. Any alarms triggered today or not? Let's see. Okay, Meta. Okay, Meta and Nvidia, I think I took a look already. I saw them, right? Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia, I saw them already. And then Meta. Meta, same thing. So I'm just waiting and see whether the trendline support will hold or not. Okay, Pine. I cannot send you the Discord link directly though. You have to go through that website. But no worries. My website is going to be done, you know, in I think this Friday should be done. Then after I try to send you another link because the new website I think is much more efficient than the current one that I'm actually using. Yeah, if not, I can send you the previous website link again and then you give it a try. Yes, Tesla rising and dumping. Correct. I think Beach Boy also said something, right? Oh, okay, wait. Okie dokie. Do you think I should enter Fiverr retest? Let me see. Fiverr retest. Where do you see the retest? Oh, okay. I think I know what you mean. You are looking at, if I'm not wrong, you're looking at either this breakout or you draw like that, right? Either one of it. Am I right? You draw either one of it. Is it the long one or the short one? Because if you draw the long one is invalid lah. Huh? If you draw the short one, that one is correct. Long one, long one. Okay, long one. I tell you why is it invalid, because this whole wave that's coming down, right? This is actually one whole wave. If you use Elliott wave, so it's something like which one is higher? Okay, so basically you have an impulse, a correction, impulse, a correction, and one more impulse to the downside. Okay, and then from the low over here, this is your new impulse, this is your new correction. So from here maybe can fire off. But this trade, how long already? Not too long. But if you want to enter on the retest, right, I think you can give it a shot if you want. Just be a little bit more careful. Yeah, because by right you should have, if I were you, I should have already entered. I think maximum this candle here. So right now it's actually very close to break even already. Yeah, so if you come down for the retest, you can give it a shot. Maybe just place a stop loss right under here. Somewhere here. Okay, no worries. No worries. Set your price 270 Tesla minus 285, huh? Okay, DLO first. Raymond, Tesla is rising and dumping, yes. DLO. Weekly. Okay, how many years already? This is like, okay, not bad. At least about 3 years as of right now. Okay, you... Okay, if I were you, right, I will go up to the 1 hour time frame. I will go and draw this trend line here. For me, I will take the breakout trade instead of, you know, trying to find the sniper entry, because even if I try to find one, right, you have, but then it's being used already. It was used by this area here. So you can see this area actually came into the zone already, so more or less this zone is actually pretty much useless. So likely what I think, it will come down, it will break this low before it starts that up move, if it wants to go up. Yeah, I think likely this will happen. Okay. Oh, Tesla. Hey guys, if I miss your comment or something, you type again, okay? Help me to type again, huh? Because don't know why suddenly a lot of people join inside the live stream, then I think your chat's all being filtered up already. I don't know where it goes. Yep, Tesla dumping 27 plus. Did I say about 27 plus or not? Okay, no. Wrong. Okay, I tell you my plan for Tesla. One moment, giant. Okay, basically right now we are actually on the 4 hour chart. Then I fit from this low to this swing high. I'm looking to buy Tesla at about 250. But then what I'm going to do is that if Tesla can drop all the way about 275 like that, I will go and sell a put option, sell a put option, where the put option, I think likely I will put it at either 245 or 240. So if you have no idea how to sell a put option, please don't do that, okay? Because one contract, you will be assigned 100 shares of Tesla. I'm trying to earn some premium while it starts to go down. Because 100 shares of Tesla is equivalent to about 30,000. You're going to use 30,000 to buy Tesla if you were to get assigned. So just be careful on that part. Alright, that's my own plan for myself. Of course, I don't want to get assigned if Tesla really come all the way down, breaking the previous low somewhere here. I will get out. Get out. Hey, how come I put my fib wrong? Okay, again. Yeah, about 250. I try to buy. Maybe I will buy at about 250, around there. Yes, option got good and bad. Definitely. Yeah, because I'm so afraid, when I say I want to short put option, later on, someone go and follow, then after I get assigned, they get into a lot of troubles. Okay, account still alright. Like nothing much to worry about. Yes, it's also Elon Musk and Donald Trump. Both of them, they are fighting. I hope they can fight a little bit more. I hope we can see something like this. This dump. Okay, give us this dump. Something like that. One more time. Choo. Okay, then we all enter here. Okay, all the Singaporeans enter at 250. We buy it together. We push the market up. Dylan, is it time to enter for Tesla? Is it? I won't enter at the current price. Really, this is quite risky for me. Really very, very risky. Even I drop down to the 5 minutes, I don't see a setup over here. Okay. Oh, you're entering at 270. 270, which is just breaking this low over here. So around here. Can, but then I think you can, split the position into two. The other one you put at 250. Okay, one at 270, the other one at 250. I need your power when it comes to, 250, we push it up together. Deport Elon Musk. Cannot be lah. These are children fighting one another. Okay, wait, I help Dylan with the DOCS first. DOCS. Currently looks good, Dylan. This one looks really, really good. It's a steady uptrend. Looks like nothing to worry as of right now. Yeah, I don't think I will place the trend line for now. But it looks good. It looks like it's going up. Okay, this trend line is basically useless. This one doesn't mean anything. 4 hours. Yeah, looks good, Dylan. I think if you are in the longs, you can actually keep it for a while. Yeah, although, over here, if you try to put a trend line or something, it looks like it's breaking out of the trend line a little bit, but breaking out a little bit doesn't mean anything. So, for example, the last time, the very, very first time, right, you can put a trend line like that. You put this. It also broke out a little bit, but what happens? Phew, fire off. Tesla will go 180. Wow, iron. This one, another Tesla hitter. 180 is very far though, my friend. 180 for now, I can't see that. 180 is quite far. But if you talk about wave structure, all that is quite possible. Maybe, next year or something. After it comes to this 250, one more wave up before it dumps to 180. This one is possible. Okay, wait, huh? Okay, Google, I'm in Google for a long time already. There's one lady yesterday. Wait, yesterday I wanted to tell her to buy Google, but then I think she went to bed. Yeah, yesterday there was a very nice rejection candle inside the zone. Yep, so I wanted to tell her to buy. But I don't think she's here today, right? Are you here? Braveheart, are you here? Your Google is firing off now. Yeah, I'm actually using an Android phone, Samsung phone. So whenever I say Google, this phone will get triggered. TDOC. Okay, since Google is going up, after this we'll take a look at Meta, Nvidia and AMD to see whether we get any opportunity. Let me see the monthly. Okay, TDOC, right? I would say be careful, my friend. Okay, this is a downtrend stock. This is like a downtrend stock. Unless you understand the company, you understand the fundamental of the company. Or if you are up for, speculative risk like that, you can use a cash account to buy. Then you hold it. The dump since when? Okay, it dumped all the way down for about 4 years plus already. So imagine after it peak here, dump all the way for 4 years. So you have to be careful on this part because the consolidation right down here can last for a really long time. Because I believe you have seen stocks that last for 10 years, 20 years, that type. Yeah, I have no idea what will happen to that. Okay, then if you go up to the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame is actually not too bad, okay? But then don't put too much hope into this stock as of right now. If you want to do a swing trade or something, on a 1 hour time frame, it looks fantastic. Okay, really fantastic. This one looks a bit like a triangle. So if you do get a breakout on the 1 hour time frame, something to consider. Okay, but for a swing trade, I think it's fine. But try not to hold it as a long-term investment. Oh, stop Google. Smiley. Okay, wait. I want to see my Nvidia first. Hey, damn. Why never come inside the zone? Why? My God. No, I don't want to see Tesla. I want to see Meta. Okay, Meta looks pretty good though. Okay, I will come back to Meta shortly. I will set one more alarm again. Okay, let me delete my previous notification from for Meta. Where is it, nope, not here. Okay, Visa also got triggered. Visa alarm, what happened to Visa? Okay, nothing much here. I'll just set one more alarm for Visa. What is the breakout B? What do you mean by what is the breakout B? Grab. Grab is fantastic, guys. Really, I like it. I like it so much. So if you are in Grab, congratulations. I think this one might, go quite a lot. But the market doesn't get affected by ADP result. The last month is also the same thing. After ADP, it tanked a little bit, just go down a little bit, and the moment market open, it starts to go up again. Yeah, this is like good sign though. Then QCOM nothing. Okay, just now there was one more stock, I think. NAMM. Wow, please, I cannot help you with this. I don't understand what is this stock doing though. What is this? How come? Wow, brother. Peace, are you actually in this stock or something? This is something that the very first advice I can give it to you is skip. Don't even bother looking at it, okay? Don't waste your time. You look at this. Well, I need to stretch the chart don't know how many times, then you can see a little bit of data, you see? How to trade? Bro, just skip lah, this stock, just skip. Name, okay, any MM will be good for today's trade. Really? Well, I have no idea how to trade this though, my friend. Yeah, if you have strategy to trade them, go ahead. I can't advise you for this. I have no idea what is it doing. Yeah, maybe you can do 5 minutes looks like a good small buy, likely you need to get out of it by today. Yeah, day trade maybe still okay, but I normally don't trade stocks like that lah. Extra, MULN ah. MULN. Wow. Yeah, okay, bro, you see, this is the thing that wow, what happened to this? This stock is what? Bro, this one is a scam or what? The stock is worth. You can see how many zero or not? Can you see how many zero? This one like, okay, 6 figure, 9 figure, 12, 15 figure, and 15 figure is zillion, is it? Brother, you don't joke with me, Ken. I'm not young anymore. My heart cannot take this type of thing. Wow. I don't know how to advise you, brother. I seriously, I have no idea. Imagine this stock worth how much it was worth. The high is like, I don't think anyone in the world can buy right at the top lah. You look at how much this stock worth. Right at the top, this is like 15 figures. I think the whole American economy also cannot buy it. Oh my god, brother. Testing Johnson. Okay, one moment. Okay, Berkshire. BRK, right? BRK. Yes, .B. Keep dropping, Yep, I think yesterday you asked me this, right, Singlong? Yeah, right now there's no clear direction because if I go up to the 4 hours time frame and show you, I think we need to go to the daily. Yep, so in the daily chart, right, can you see that I actually connected this trend line? So this is like your support, okay? Then after that, you go down to the 4 hours time frame, you can draw another one here. This one is like your resistance, and you are basically, hovering around the trend line even on the 1 hour time frame. So for now, there's really no direction, but I would like, I would like to see, Berkshire going up instead of going down. Okay, wait, we go up to 4 hours again. 4 hours, if you do see that Berkshire starts to go down, right, can expect it to maybe break this low. So it might do like a slow climb, a slow crawl all the way down here, breaking this low before you get that up move. Yes, Tesla, best price, $250, I think so. Yeah, as of right now, I don't think I will enter. Will Tesla go below 300? I think likely. I want to buy Tesla at 250. Okay? Then when it goes to about 270, I want to sell a put option. Then the strike price likely about 240, around there. Yeah, as of right now, Elon Musk and Trump, they can fight again. They fight Tesla, you will see all the way down. Unless you are a long-term investor, you use a cash account, it's still okay. It's still okay. If you want to, enter at this right current moment, I think it's still fine. But for me, I use a margin account for trading. I cannot afford to buy here. I buy here, I will die so badly. Singlong, no issues, no issues. Okay, a lot of stocks are going up today though. Let me see. Okay, let me log into my account again. After that, I can see whether I want to buy AMD or not. Well, actually, Tesla really a little bit wasted, huh? Hiya. Hey, what did I say? I want to say NVIDIA a bit wasted. I think I said something wrong. I want to say NVIDIA a bit wasted. Why never come inside this zone? Just a little bit more only, a little bit more. My god. Okay, thoughts on QUBT. QUBT has been quite popular recently, huh? QUBT. Yeah, bro, even if you go to the weekly chart, right, you try to be a little bit more careful when it comes to about the $27 range. Because I'm not too sure, history will keep repeating itself now, which is something like, here, after it peaked about $27, then it crawled down like that. So the same thing that happens to previously, also, came up to around here after it starts to crawl down like that. So just be careful on this part if you are in the longs. Then yeah, but if you were to do swing trades all that, I think should be fine. There shouldn't be much of an issue. You still have quite a lot of room to go to 27 though. This is like another 40%. That's still not bad, still not bad. If you do some swing trade on it, I think it's good. It also looks like it's going to fire off as of right now. Oh, you miss match. Okay, Raymond, Palantir, huh? Palantir, for me, no setup. I will wait a little bit more. Really no setup. And to me, looks more like downside than going up though. Especially tomorrow, you have NFP. Okay. Oh, Lucas miss A, B, and B. But just now there was someone who said mesh. Oh, mesh. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Wait, one moment. Oh, you missed the breakout. I think you asked me yesterday, is it? You asked me yesterday? I think I remember I talked about this, right? I said that you can take the breakout trade of this, am I right? Then just be careful, take already careful of the trend line resistance, correct? Then if by then you can, try to move to break even if possible, because if match can go, you will just fire off from here. You also forget same lah. No issue, but right now don't take already, it's dangerous. I would rather, you wait for it to break the trend line first. And this is like a super huge resistance. You look at where I connect this is like since August 2023 all the way until here. Yeah, and no matter how, currently is still a downtrend stock. So this resistance will be a significant one. Okay? How about Alibaba? Okay, wait, Raymond, I come to you in Alibaba in a while. Okay, for China stocks, really no opportunity as of right now. We need to wait a little bit, especially until the tariff negotiation is over by 9th of July, which is actually next Wednesday. Okay, by then, after that, we see what happens to the China stocks. Okay, Airbnb. I think Airbnb is going up already. I think so. If you put on this trend line, then you go to 4 hours. Yeah, I think Airbnb, if you want to buy, right, should be fine. You have a lot of room for upside though. I think you'll see another move coming up. Right now, daily chart. I think likely you'll see one more move coming up. I think somewhere very close to the trend line resistance. And from here, you see whether, you will get the breakout or not. If you get, congratulations. Okay, Airbnb might start the huge up move already. Okay, guys, if I miss any of your comments, do type again, okay? Type again, huh? Okay, next is Baba. Baba, yeah, Raymond, really no opportunity in Baba. I would like to see Baba coming to about 105.5 around there before I will be interested. As of right now, everything can be quite risky lah because of the tariff news. As long as it's not being settled, anything can happen by then. Okay? Lulu, what happened to Lulu? What gap? Lulu got a huge gap, eh? Okay, can. Yep, that was during the earnings. Lulu is a stock that because it has been in this range for a very, very, very long time. That is why I'm not too sure whether it's holding or not. And if you try to put something like that, you're somehow like in a range. Oh, nice. It actually hits the trend line as support. Nice, my friend. This part actually not bad. Are you looking for it to fill the gap? Fill the gap here. Okay, the gap is way too much already. Way too big. Such a big gap sometimes can be a little bit difficult to get filled. Yeah, but see how it goes. If you you do have a long position, I think should be fine for a while. You think they confirm will fill? Okay, can. Yeah, for me, I'm not too sure. Yeah, as long as you know you have a strategy to trade, that will be good already. Yeah, Raymond, after 9th July, then go and look at those China stock. For now, just leave it out for a while. Yes, Raymond, correct, correct. Oh, Apple. I like it. I like it so much, Apple. Okay, first target 226. Okay, just wait. 226 is incoming. Yeah, Apple is a laggard and I think there's much more room for the upside for Apple, definitely. Yeah, my minimum target for Apple is about 226. Then from there, I will see what it does. Oh, Zero. PayPal and Google. PayPal, I think recently is quite strong, right? PayPal. Strong lah. This PayPal, not bad. Recently has been quite strong. Nice, beautiful, my friend. Yeah, for now, if you're in PayPal, I think likely if you want, you can try to target about $82 around there. Around $82 minimum. Then Google, I still love it. Oh, the daily is nice. You look at the daily chart. You broke out with a very strong candle. Okay, after that, this one doji candle, retest of trend line. Right now, another engulfing candle incoming, and this is a strong engulfing candle. Really a strong one. Okay, possible can fire off liao. A candlestick pattern. Oh, nice. Braveheart, are you here or not? Your Google going to fire off liao. You don't want to join in? That's it. Bye bye already. So far, I think okay lah, guys. Our positions really nothing to to be worried. Okay, Visa coming down a little bit. Let's see Visa. Any place I need to take note or not? Visa. Okay lah, I set an alarm already. I will set one more here also. Yes. I think Google going to fire off already. So I think should be fine, huh? Only Visa. I'm still thinking what is it doing. Hopefully, for Visa it will hold around this area. If it doesn't hold, I might want to take it off already with a little bit of profit. Oh, just now there was one stock, right? TTD. Let's see, TTD. Oh, TTD is actually quite nice, eh? Okay, guys, tomorrow we have NFP, but then, so if I take TTD, right, just be a little bit careful on your own side. Which low is lower? 65.5, this one? 65.55. Okay. Okay, TTD can visit shortly. DAL leh? DAL. Okay, possible another trade for DAL as well. Meta. I'm more interested in Meta. I want to see Meta. Okay, not bad. Come, go. Go, Meta, go. What about Nvidia? There goes my Nvidia again. Why ah? Did I set the wrong zone or not? No, this is the correct one. AAL. What is AAL? Oh, American Airlines. Nice. Actually not bad. You can choose this instead of DAL. How come my chart is so laggy? Don't tell me my baby pull my internet connection. No, right? Wait. Let me see compared to DAL. Yeah, bro, if I you right, I will choose DAL over AAL. AAL looks... American Airlines looks quite weak though. But I like this part. I only like this current part only. That's the only thing that I like. Not bad. Swing trade Louis, you want to swing trade for AAL? Yup, can. I think it's okay. It looks good though, if you want to swing trade for AAL. Then your next target... I think you can target about $13.60 minimum. AL looks not bad, really not bad. Something similar to DAL, but I think I will take DAL lah. I like DAL more. Bitcoin. Oh, why DAL? The structure. I like the wave structure that is actually developing. Okay, Bitcoin might be breaking out already, guys? Bitcoin might be going liao. MSTR got hope or not? Oh, MSTR like... Okay, coin. Berkshire. Oh, a lot of people like to buy this stock, Is there any reason? Berkshire for now, really no setups for me. Just now someone asked, and all I can say that is be careful, because right now we are actually on the daily chart, okay? Then you have like this trend line support where Berkshire looks like it's going to break out as of right now. Then if I were to drop down to the 4 hours for you, right? I would advise you, if this were to, really break out from here, really breaking out from here, you be careful. Maybe likely it will come to around here, about 450. maybe it's a slow drop all the way to about 450 before you get the up move going up. Something like a 3-wave corrective structure all the way down here. Okay. 嘉轩 Okay, what is Visa doing? Visa, AMD going away, maybe. Yeah, damn. Okay, I think I will buy AMD lah. But then, never come into the zone Okay, 5 minutes. Can we do anything on 5 minutes? Okay, we successfully break above this high. So this is called a market structure shift. So possible. I think I will wait for a little bit more. No rush for AMD. How about NVIDIA? Oh, okay, I understand why. It's actually the previous zone. Nice. Also well as support. Okay, I will wait for another maybe 7 minutes. Okay, and if this candle can close quite well, I might take AMD, just place a stop loss at about 133.6 around there. Okay, I also set one more alarm for AMD. Hopefully it doesn't fire off too far away. Apple looking great. Amazon looking okay. Meta still not yet. Visa. Okay, Visa right now is looking a little bit dangerous. Okay, this trend line is way too far away. Okay, did we shift our stop loss from Visa or not? Oh yes, we shift already. We shift it to break even. So where did we enter? 438 around here. Visa coming down. Yeah, Visa, I think we need to be a little bit more careful for this part. So my threshold for Visa is here, roughly about 351.4 around there. So if Visa break this low, I might decide to close it off already, close off everything. Okay, guys, I will use the washroom. I will come back shortly. 2 minutes, okay? See you shortly. Hey guys, I'm back again. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I want to buy AMD. Just now in the toilet, I was looking at AMD. I think I want to buy AMD. Where are you? Okay, Karen, I like it. I like it so much. Yeah, I'll just place a stop loss here. 134. 134. TP160. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, not bad. Market today is quite green, huh? Except for my Visa. What happened to Visa? Come on, Visa. Go up, man. Oh, how I have so many time interval. Oh, you click onto the time interval, right? You just click this star button, then you can favorite. The moment you favorite, it will appear on the top left. Then after that, same thing for your tools. Your tools, right? Any tools that you like, go and favorite them. So when you favorite them, you can see I have like this bar. You see? Then you will have this bar hovering around. Then you can just place it anywhere you want. Okay, new trade for me, AMD today. Okay, MRK. How about MRK? I want to see MRK. Okay, new month. We need to... This month, how many percent can we make? Okay, try to target 10 to 20%. MRK, not done yet. Yes, Lucas. TradingView is amazing. It's seriously amazing. There are a lot of tools for you to explore, okay? For me, myself, although I paid for the, subscription and everything, I don't use all the function. Like, quite wasted lah. But I like one thing about TradingView is the replay trading. So if you go to the bottom left corner, there's this like replay trading. Then you can do back testing. So if you click on the launch bar replay, so you can see you can just put anywhere. Then after you replay the bar, then you can do like back testing. How to make fast? 1 day, 3 months. What do you mean by that? 1 day, 3 months, fast. Next same down bottom here. 1 day, 3 minutes. Have 3 minutes. You don't have, right? Okay, are you under the paid plan? If you are not, right, the free version, if I'm not wrong, there are some restrictions. Yeah, I think some of the time frame you're on the paid plan, then I think you should be fine. So you just start them. The moment you start, it will just appear on top. Yeah, you see when I unfavorite the thing, right? Then I favorite again, the 3 minutes will appear. Then you just click, you click onto them, will do. Oh, Tan, nice to see you again, my friend. DK and GLXY. DK. Wow, Tan, you trade every single day, huh? Nice. Same lah, Tan, I also learn from you. Now I also take the break of the top of the candle. You use 3 minutes times 2. I don't understand what you mean though. 3 minutes times 2. Oh, you mean by you have two screen, is it? Like you are looking at this way, something like that. Like you have 2 screen, is it? So you split it into half. Is it something like that? Hey, Braveheart, you're here. Your Google Go liao. Yesterday I told you. Oh, okay. Can. 6 screen. What you do, right? You need to click on the screen first. Click the screen first, okay? Click. Then after that, you go and change to 3 minutes. This is how you do it. You need to click the screen first. Okay, then if you want to change the left side, the right side one, you can click. Then also change to 3 minutes. So only one screen get changed only. You can see, right? The left side is 1 hour, the right side is 3 minutes. But within 1 day time frame. I don't understand, brother. 1 day, 3 minutes. Eh, I don't understand what you mean by that though. How to do it? Inside 1 day, buy 3-minute candle. Okay. You can do that, meh? Oh, Tan, I think so. Yes. He want to sync one symbol for 2 time frame, if I'm not wrong. I don't know how to do that, my friend. Is there any function for you to do that or not? Oh, Visa drop further liao ha. Okay, can. Let's take a look. If no choice, then I take the break even lah. Huh? Yeah, don't looks like it's going to go, but then yeah, I shift to break even already, so nothing to worry lah, huh? Just wait for a little bit. Okay, Braveheart, yesterday I was looking for you, you know, I told you to buy Google, but then you were not there. Yesterday there was a very nice opportunity. Because you asked me to tell you, right? It's over here. It was here. This was the super duper nice one to actually buy. Lucas, I also don't know how to add one more time frame into this though. I have no idea how to do it. Yeah, bro, very easy, right? We just use this. Wait. Just use this, okay? Add 3 minutes time frame into a daily chart in TradingView. This one, my best assistant, okay? Never ever complain before. Whatever I ask it to do, it does it for me. Fantastic job. How to do it? Click on the current time frame. Add custom. Oh, brother, we know already. Just look at here, okay? TradingView does not natively support overlaying different time frame like 3 minutes candle on the daily chart. Cannot do. Cannot. Okay? You cannot overlay your time frame. But I think if you want, right, you can search for indicator. Any indicator. Yeah, fine script. I also think so. Sometimes, you know, trading, just ask ChatGPT or something. Have your brother. You go and find this, okay? There are a few. This one, multiple time frame OHLC overlay. Okay, then there are a few lah. You want to screenshot or not? You screenshot, then you go and look at them. What power of 3, multiple time frame, and don't know what is this. Okay, I think these are all the indicator names. Braveheart, okay lah, no problem, huh? Your beauty sleep is more important. Trade can come another day. Where is Roderick? Roderick, you still not here, huh? Roderick today not coming. He wanted to ask me something about visa. Okay, Palantir if you want to day trade, huh? Let's see, Palantir. Actually, there's no trend for Palantir as of right now, even for day trade. Whatever that's being taken right now is a little bit on the higher risk side. But just now, remember, there was one guy, I think he took Palantir right down here. Yeah, I think he's going for a swing trade because I think his target is at least about 140 or something. But for me, currently, I don't have a setup for Palantir if I'm not wrong. Let me go to the daily chart. Okay, there's one zone here. Oh, this is so small. Is this even valid or not? Oh, nice. Maybe the guy saw this zone. He went to buy at this low though. Oh, nice. Alright, alright. Brave Why, Brave you can don't joke with me, can or not? Oh, you look at the data here. Okay, Braveheart, can I ask you, is there any reason why you like this chart? You dare to buy, ah? You are told it's a good one, ah. The person that told you make a lot of money? Lots of potential, huh? Okay, well, I tell you, the easiest thing, okay, we all don't need to guess. We just ask. Perplexity is perplexity. So this one give you, you know, the before you even really go and download all the financial statements, go and read everything, right? Just ask Perplexity or ChatGPT first. Once they give you a rough answer, and if you like it, okay, then after that you go and use, you know, really go and look at the financial statements and everything. So you don't need to waste a lot of time. Well, I look at this, I'm also a little bit scared. You see, 22 employee as of July 2025. It's a very, very small company. Consistently, okay, net income consistently negative for the trailing 12 months already. Net loss about 5.6. EPS negative 0.19. Cash flow is negative, burning a lot of cash. Okay. Burning a lot of cash, unprofitable, no meaningful revenue, and persistent operating losses. High volatility. Okay, okay, the sentiment is actually quite negative. Okay, no worries. Let me follow up with this. Where, huh? Okay, beta. Well, beta 9.29 is extremely high though. There's somewhere I want to follow up. Okay, here. This one. I will follow up this question. One moment. And what's that word, huh? I suddenly cannot think of that word, my friend. What is that called? Uh, uh, oh, I suddenly forget already. Issue, how to spell? Issue. Oh my god, what's that word called? Okay, because when investor they invest right into a company, if they think that the company is risky, usually they don't buy the shares of the company. Instead, they do like a 50-50 thing. 50% share, 50% bond. What is that word called? I suddenly can't recall. Thank you. Rifat, thank you so much. Okay, they are not profitable. Okay, they raised 1.5 million. Okay, this one is an equity. Oh, equity and what, huh? What's that called? Bond, Oh, convertible notes. Okay. Okay, you see here, there from this, right, you can see that this investor, the person is actually not very confident in the company. That's why they invest in convertible notes. Okay, so they didn't actually buy the shares of the company, so they are safeguarding themselves. So in the event if this company were to go bankrupt or something, right, they will get their money back. Pay the debt first. So just be a little bit careful. As of right now, they said no evidence of major venture capital or private equity investor in the last 1 year. So be careful, huh? Right now, a lot of investors still doesn't believe this company. I just be careful on this part. So you see, you can use AI. Go and help you to do all this research first. Just ask a few questions before you even go and dive in, go and read the financial statement. But of course, if you you do a swing trade, I think it's still fine. Like maybe coming to break this high over here, I think it's still fine. But just be a little bit more careful. Don't stuck inside for too long. Yeah, because you can try lah. Next time, you can go and download this app called DeepSeek, so you don't have to pay money. You can use DeepSeek to ask first. So a lot of times, when people recommend me stock, this is the very, very first thing I do. Normally, I want to see who are all the investors and how they actually invest in the company. If all of them invest in convertible notes, right, it scares me a little lah. Because they don't have much confidence in the company. Okay, RGC. RGC, huh? Wow, brother, skip, huh? Skip. Skip, okay? I am great, skip. This is what I can tell you, huh? Okay, usually when I see stocks like that, they looks like a mountain, they climb Mount Everest, then after that, they drop all the way down like that. It's the first thing that comes to my mind. Skip. Because the thing is that every single time, really every single time you see something that drops so much, this consolidation will last for very ultra long, my friend. I also don't want you, even if you go and buy $1,000, your $1,000 can stuck inside for years. Got chance for another mountain, can lah. You put $1,000, $2,000, you wait maybe 6 months to 1 year, maybe got another mountain again. But also don't buy at this price. This kind of stock, right? I would rather you wait until it comes to the lowest point around here, like less than $1. Maybe you can try. Go and buy $1,000 worth of shares or something. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You all want it to shoot to the moon, okay? I also want it to shoot to the moon, but the problem with me is that these are all opportunity costs, okay? I need to make my money work every single day. One day it doesn't work, I don't feel good. I don't need to go to bed, 24/7 and keep running non-stop. Like how I use AI, okay? I can ask AI to help me to do everything and it doesn't complain. Okay, maybe AI. But okay, I ask you, I am Great and Braveheart. You all buy stocks like that, do you all make money or not? I'm actually quite curious. Or you're stuck inside for a long time? BBAI, okay, this one I think is still fine. Why fine? Is because the IPO is quite a long time ago. This one IPO in April 2021. After that, came down, got one spike. Then after it come down, one mountain, then drop all the way down, one mountain, drop all the way down, one mountain, drop all the way down. Then this part may be another mountain, then you will drop again, maybe. Yes, I haven't lost money yet. Wow, powerful. Powerful, you guys. Your main bulk is in ETF and 2 SG Bank. Okay, can. But BBAI is really not bad. If you ask me to consider among that three, right, I think I will consider BBAI. Okay, we ask this one. How about BBAI? BBAI. Fundamental. Okay, we make a little bit larger. This one is cyber security, serving defense intelligence. Okay, this one at least got cash. Just now the RI got no cash. That one negative. Okay, at least this one, not too negative, still okay. Yeah, I think BBAI, if you want, can give, even AI also tell you bottom line, high risk, high reward AI defense and any analytics stock. Okay, so high risk, high reward. Okay, go and buy $1,000 cash account. Yes, DeepSeek. Why I like Perplexity, right? Perplexity give you the latest data. Okay, the most up-to-date data. I tried ChatGPT, I tried Perplexity, tried DeepSeek. I find that if you want to find information, right, Perplexity is the best. But if you're into creative work and all that, ChatGPT is better. But ChatGPT, right, is more like a human where you can talk to. But Perplexity sometimes is a little bit stupid. Okay, when you ask them question, You have no idea what they are trying to reply you lah, huh? Suddenly the reply is like out of the world that kind. Same, yes, Lucas. Data was from last year. Okay, okay. Now cannot go in lah. Now you go in might be a bit risky though. Unless you don't mind taking the risk, you can buy right now. Then you just place a stop loss. Maybe here, this one will be the safest stop loss already. So in the event if it doesn't go, you just take the loss first. Then wait for the next opportunity. Oh, user. I usually use very basic things like I just type here like give me the fundamental of RI and what should I know? Is this a good stock to buy for the next 1 to 2 years? Because for me, my long-term investment is usually I hold my long-term investment in stocks is usually the max 1 to 3 years only. And if you look at Warren Buffett, right? Warren Buffett, he only holds 20% of his stocks more than 2 years. Okay, he only have 2 stocks that he holds forever. Even Warren Buffett, he only holds about 20% of his stocks more than 2 years. And I think 30% of them, right? After 6 months, he sell it off already. That's why this is something I think I learned from him. So catch a big move for 1 to 3 years and get out. Yeah, I just use very basic thing. Then they give me, this kind of, you can see EPS, cash flow and everything. Then something that I need to know. Then whether good for the next 1 or 2 years. I think more or less you already understand about this stock. Then if you really like it, then you dive in even further. I like to see who are the investors, going to the company or that before I make a decision. If you see some big shot going in, sometimes it's not bad on. Now with AI, a lot of things are so much easier. Ayo, SPY make new high again. No lah, not yet, okay? Not yet, guys. Okay, AMD, not too bad. Nvidia, nice. Apple, fantastic. Amazon, not bad. Okay, Suro, did I pronounce your name correctly? Are you a guy or are you a lady? Your name sounds like a lady. Guy. Then how do I pronounce your name? Suro? Shuro? You use your girlfriend account, I thought you are a lady. Okay, Poet. Okay, this one if you like to look at this part, okay, this one I think is a very good clue for you lah. You look at this and you compare to this, I think likely very soon you'll see something like that. It looks a little bit similar. And 1 hour, you actually have a breakout already. You already broke out. Something like that. You already broke out. It's going off already. So yeah, if you don't have position, maybe can consider whether you want to take the breakout or not. Yep, not bad. Not bad. AMTM. AMTM. Let's see. Yeah, this stock also just IPO only. Like really not too long ago. But something interesting about this stock is that after IPO, it never make a new high, if I'm not wrong. Okay, this one highest is 34.5. This is 34.47. So haven't make new high. Usually this type of new IPO stock haven't make new high. I think this stock has a higher chance that it will go all the way up, at least minimally breaking this previous high here. I think this one got a higher chance. Okay, how about AMTM? Let's see. AMTM. Hey, random. Nice to see you. Where do you go? Bro, the rig also not here. Okay, I need to help him with something. How come he's not here? Where did he go? I think he's working, maybe. Yes, good morning, my friend. Good morning. Okay, what is this company? Rapid Solution Product. Okay, market cap 5 billion. Oh, 1 billion intelligence contract. Really? Oh, you see this one, they say it's a strong buy. Wow, this stock is considered undervalued by approximately 42%. The debt to equity is quite good though. Yeah, Braveheart, I think this one, this stock is not too bad, not too bad. Okay, it's quite rare. It's really quite rare to see a new IPO stock didn't break the previous high, then after it starts to dump like that. So I do think that because I saw a few times like, whenever it didn't break the high after it IPO, right, it considers straight away dump that kind. Usually this type they have more potential to go all the way up, breaking here, and usually this move can be quite huge. Yeah, I think if you want, you can buy this, man. Maybe I can add inside my watch list, later on, tomorrow or something, I go and do more research. Okay, I also want to be like you guys, fly to the moon. I'll make a lot of money. Okay, not too bad. Wow, random, you must be very tired. Like you come here, you come here every single day for like 3 hours or something. Time to take a break, Today really nothing much. Only bought AMD and that's it already. Yeah, you need to rest, okay? 我们讲什么休息来走更长的路，更远的路。Okay, not bad. Hopefully, okay, just hopefully, we can see on the 1 hour time frame. Hopefully, we can see one more leg down here. Okay, if can see this leg coming down, it will be fantastic already. Really fantastic. Likely, this will be the zone to buy. This will be roughly about 22.75 to about 22.5 lah, around there. Okay. Why did I delete the box? I want the box. Of course, I will set alarm for this stock. I will set one at about 24.23. Then the other one, I will set it just slightly above the box. Yes, let's go. Oh, if this one to the moon, good man. AMD, can. Okay, wait, before we go to AMD, we take a look at Celsius. Oh, Celsius still doesn't present any opportunity. Okay, can. AMD. Yes, give me tips, okay? Go and ask your friend. I have more tips. AMD, if you want, I think can. I think it's really not bad. But of course, bro, this one not financial advice, huh? If you take a loss, don't blame me, okay? I like it myself, that's why I bought. Then I just place a stop loss at 134. Okay, guys, thanks for the follow. Thank you so much. How about Palantir? Palantir not done. What is that? RGTI. Can. RGTI. RGTI does looks like there's some potential for upside. Let's see, can we find any zone here or not? Okay, bro. I think right now has already missed the move, because if I were you, right, I will buy somewhere around here already. But right now it went a little bit too far. So even if you enter here, right, you place a stop loss just under here. It's quite a far distance though. Can see you. You cannot see me, Wait, okay. I know why now. You guys know why these few days my camera keeps shutting down or not? Because I never switch on air conditioner. I'm quite cold. I think I'm going to fall sick already. Okay, so and then my camera keeps overheat. Give me a moment. I go and switch it on again. Oops. Can you see me now? No, right? Okay, I think coming up already. Okay, can. Hello. Yep, this is the downside of, DSLR camera. Usually it gets overheated after I think 1 hour or something. Even when I make my own course video, it also overheated. And then the camera just died. Yeah, it needs, aircon. Cannot consistently switch on and doesn't, no air is actually blowing at it. Yeah, so if you want to take this trade, are you inside this trade? If you are in, I think still not too bad. If you bought it a little bit earlier, I think still not bad. Actually, it's also breaking out right now lah. You can take the trade lah, really can take. If you like this. Yeah. At least minimally all the wave structure for me is fulfilling already. Volume is good. 1 hour. I think 1 hour no need. Yeah, volume is good lah. Can take. Okay. Not used to it. What you mean, Raymond? Not used to it. Okay, so if you want to take this trade, I would say it's definitely worth the risk. Okay, even if I trade this, I will take it. I will take it now. And then the stop loss you can place. What is this price? Yeah, I think $11.50 is good enough lah. $11.50. My camera, okay, my camera is good, huh? But then the only downside, you know, is what? This camera got no cooler. After I bought already, then I realized, oh, it will die, it will shut down so fast. Okay, QCOM, let's take a look at QCOM. You want to take some partial profit, huh? I don't see a need to take some partial right now, but if you want, you can take, because tomorrow we have what? NFP and unemployment. Okay? Dry ice, the camera will die, brother. Need to buy cooler. Okay, need to have air conditioner. Oh yes, tomorrow also half day. Yes, correct. I think market open until 1 o'clock, right? 1 o'clock, is it, Richard? Yeah, maybe tomorrow we can stream all the way until market close. Please, yeah. I think I worked too hard recently. I really worked too hard because I was making a course video, and there was one particular section, right? I keep explaining. I think I redo the video at least 10 over times, and that video is about 20 minutes long. I just couldn't get it right, you know. After I do it, I listen to myself like, did I explain clearly? I feel that some part can improve, that I redo the whole thing again. Is that one lesson only. That lesson about alert wave is the toughest. Yeah, because I'm trying to explain this fractal alert wave and degree, because this is the most complicated part. If you can understand this, everything else is simple. Yeah, this is the one, you know, like, can you see that there's like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then after that, can I make larger now? Is there any like better picture? Okay, maybe we can do this. Oh yeah, Richard, I think it's 1 a.m. Yeah, this is the part I have a hard time explaining, you know. So I retook this video 10 over times already, and every single time the video is about 20 minutes long. Then whenever I try to cut it, then after I try many different styles. Is this part. This is the toughest one already. Okay, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? After that, when you look at the below picture, how one wave, number 1 turns into 5 wave, and how 5 wave turns into 21 wave. This is called the fractal nature of the market. Then the other thing is called the degree. Okay, degree, they got like this, all this numbering system. So I explain this until I hate it. I've been recording this one lesson only for I think consecutively for I think 3 days already, but still not getting it right. Yeah, this is the toughest one. Yeah, because if you can understand this already, whatever I taught from that lesson onwards, it will be easy peasy. Like, you know, over here, there's a lot of wave. There's like 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave, 4 wave, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then how all this turns into one single wave. Then after that, I still need to explain because of this 9 wave, right? Like over here itself, 1 wave, you can already see 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave. Something like that. There's also another 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave. So this is the fractal nature of the market. I'll give myself another 2 more days to film that lesson. Brave heart, also student already. Hopefully, hopefully I'll have a lot of students soon. Okay, Raymond, if you are afraid, right, you can go and take some partial profits for our existing position. Really, no harm doing that because like what Richard say, tomorrow is a half day, and at the same time we have NFP and unemployment rate. The NFP, I'm actually not too worried. I think unemployment, I'm also not too worried. Because I do see the deviation, you know, from the previous forecast, like the last time, right, the NFP was also, it deviates really a lot, that kind. So I do believe that this time around the NFP might be quite good also. These are all speculative, right? We won't know until, you know, the data comes out at 8:30. Okay, I click on the chart already. We come back later and take a look. What happened to Tesla? Tesla going up or down? Still going up, but at this current moment, I still got no confidence to take this trade. Up, yeah, but I still got no confidence to take. Because if you take Tesla at this rate, right, you need to be prepared lah. Prepared that, you know, if Donald Trump and Elon Musk were to fight again, things get bad or something like that, right? You might see a gap down during the pre-market session, and you might need to take on a larger loss than what you have set. Okay, Google is good. Google is doing good. Qcom is also doing good. Visa, how is Visa already? Let me see. Visa still okay, you know. Although I'm not too sure whether, you know, this is the 3-wave correction for more downside or not. I'm not too sure. That's why I move it to break even only, and then let it run. We won't know for certain which direction will it actually goes to. And if you put on this trend line, I think we are at support. Yeah, at support already. So as long as you doesn't break this trend line, I think we are fine at this trend line. Definitely not Visa, but if you want Google, Google, have you take some partial profits or not? Let me see, Google. No, we still haven't take any. Google now. Or you want to wait until tomorrow before NFP? And then pre-market, you know, you go and take some partial profit. Because right now it looks like it's going to go though, you know. So possible tomorrow, right? Pre-market, you might see it might be a little bit higher. Then maybe you can take some partial, because this is a position trade. So for position trade, I would want it to go even higher before I take some. Okay, can. Yeah, right now Google is respecting the zone really nicely, super nice. It's been a little while since I see, you know, a nice rejection inside the zone. Yeah, even for AMD is still alright only. Nvidia is really wasted, really wasted. It came so close, extremely close to the zone. Like didn't even take the zone after it went up. Sometimes it does happens lah. No choice what to do, right? Yeah, Braveheart, you miss Google already maybe. Yeah, but everything is difficult to say as of right now. Okay, we have to see NFP. NFP will be the one that move the market. You more worried about Visa. Visa, you can actually draw the trend line like I did. So you just wait. Right now we are on support already, really on support. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, and if this, we will have roughly about 18 minutes more before this candle close. And if this candle close like in green, it can be a sign of rejection already. Oh, non-farm payroll. So you can take a look at this. Tomorrow we have this thing called non-farm payrolls, which happens once every month on the first week of the Friday. And also unemployment rate. So same thing. Usually these two come together, and then you can look at the NFP. NFP basically it tells you how many jobs is being added, including the government sectors and private sectors, but then excluding those farming jobs. And then this NFP is being forecast by what is that? This one. Bureau of Labor Statistics. So it's a government sector. Unlike ADP. ADP is a private sector. So the results is always not very accurate. I click already, we wait for it to be loaded. And if you look over here, right, just based on the previous forecast, you look at the previous month in May. The forecast is 126. And then the actual result is 139k new jobs being added. Whereas ADP, right, if you go down to ADP, okay, ADP is forecast by this one. I don't know what company is this. They call themselves automatic data processing. Okay. No. This one is the name of ADP, but I don't know which company actually forecast this. I don't know. You need to go and search on that. Hello, I don't want to see your face close. Okay, and if you look at the past ADP result, which is actually on June of 4th of June, and you can see the forecast is 111k, but then the actual result are 37k. 37k, right, as compared to your NFP, this is like such a huge difference though. This is like 102,000 difference based on the forecast. It's way too off already, off too much lah, way too much. That's why I think this time around the NFP should be good as well, because for three consecutive months already, the forecast is super duper off. Usually it's quite close. If you look at all this, you can see, right, it's all like in the 100,000 plus range, but I'm not too sure why these past 3 months the data is in the tens of thousand range. It's weird lah. So hopefully tomorrow market is good, and after it will start to push. Yes, if NFP is positive, unemployment rate is good, normally the stock market will go up, normally. Apple finally moving after so long. Yes. Not bad. Actually, right now can take some partial profit. Is it? Let me see what's the price now. Hey, actually can. If you want to take some partial profit, can take. I also take some lah. I will close about okay, current price close 30%. I also close for myself a little bit. Okay, done. No risk, Braveheart. No risk. Yeah, because if you trade forex or commodities, right, NFP is usually the most speculative days. If you go and look at forex lah, commodities lah, usually they move like crazy that kind. Each NFP they seriously move. But for stocks, it's still okay. The movement is not like forex that type. Okay, Meta, still no signs of rejection on this trend line. Yeah, need to wait a little bit more. This is definitely not a sign of rejection. Okay, I want to take a look. Wow, this XYZ is strong though. The time who recommended to me XYZ, I think we were talking about this part. I don't know what other stock I went to, choose to buy. I think Tan is the one that recommended. Yeah, and then I didn't buy XYZ right now for you. This is nice profit, man. Not easily. Well, easily about 1:4 already at least. MSTR, I see. Nope, not yet. Wait, I think I still have inside my account though. Yes, I still have MSTR. You get stop out already? XYZ, yeah, I think was mentioned last week. I forgot what I chose over XYZ lah. MSTR, let me see MSTR, I moved to break even. 382. 382. Weird why I never get trigger Why recently my account so weird? Why never get triggered? Why all my stop loss doesn't get triggered? Okay. Yesterday, right? This one is yesterday. Wait, now what date? Second. Yesterday. This is 10 p.m. Did I move at 10 p.m. or when did I move? Let me see Yeah, yesterday I moved. How come never get triggered 382. Yes, yesterday I moved. That's weird. What happened to my account? How come never get triggered? Okay lah, I think MSTR. Wait, let me see Bitcoin first. Bitcoin is moving but MSTR not moving. How about coin? Okay, random, are you still in MSTR or not? Because this part make me really want to take off the trade now. Let me see the 4 hours. Oh, you got stop out already Yeah, I think I want to get out also. I really don't... I don't really like the structure though. Wait, this, how much is this? 358.5, 358.5. 358.5. This is lower, right? Yes, this is lower. How about this? 358.8. Yeah, I don't like. I think I will remove my trade. Give me a moment. Yeah, I will take off this trade. Okay, let me update the group. MSTR 384.7500% DE. Okay, can. Yeah, I also take off already. I really don't like this trade anymore. This one looks like it will drop further, maybe dropping down further. Your side target super high and stop loss super low. Haha. So what's like 330 plus. 33330 is okay. If MSTR really doesn't fire off from here, right? If MSTR doesn't fire off from here, coming down to 330 might be a possible move. Yep, 330 definitely possible. You just look over here. What is this? This is your FVG, my friend. Look at where is the FVG. The zone is 340 to about 325. So definitely possible. It's not a very safe stop loss, although it's actually large. Yeah, why I delete the zone? No. Don't delete the zone. I just want to delete this. Yeah, for me, right now, I would rather wait. Like, if I want to buy, I will wait. I'll wait for a little bit more. 340 your second entry, okay lah. 340 your second entry, not bad. This is actually the FVG lah. Yeah, FVG. So likely, if you do see it coming down, even wave structure, this is easily your 3-wave corrective structure now. Okay, so coming to this zone, you have a lot of confluence. Too much confluence already. That it will become a very strong level. Okay, Braveheart, sorry, I was mentioning, I was managing my position. Can see you stock you. Oh, Unity, is it? Is it Unity? Yes, correct, Unity software. Okay, this stock looks like it's cooking, then looks like it's going to be going to be done soon though. Okay, top November 2021 for good about almost 3.5 years already. Maybe going to rocket soon. Let's see. Okay, I'll go to a daily first. Because this part is a bit confusing. Wow, difficult. This one is quite complicated. There are too many possibilities how this stock can develop already. Okay, I don't know whether it's good or not. 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, hopefully this is the start of the impulse. Okay, on the daily chart, and after that I do like the part, you know, it came back to do like, you know, feel the FVG over here. Yeah, this part is actually amazing. It's amazing for this part. Okay. But then when we go down to the 1 hour, I would say, right, if you want to buy, there's actually another zone here. Okay, and it's respecting so far so good. So if you really aggressive, with what I think you can do, right, is that you wait for Unity to come into the zone. You buy just, you know, somewhere below the 50% mark of the zone. Then you place a stop loss, I think, to be safe, right? You place at 22.9, this low. Then you see whether it fire off or not. Okay, how FVG works, right, is that you go and you need to find 3 candlestick, okay? So I try to draw for you. My drawing not very good, but you need to find, okay, wait. I draw one like that, then a big one like this. Okay, and then maybe another one like this. Okay, you need to find a 3 candlestick pattern. And the first and third candle doesn't really matter. So as long as you see this second candle, right, the body is super huge, the kind, okay? The body is huge, and at the same time, from the first candle, the top of the wick, until the third candle, bottom of the wick, right? So this area will be your FVG. Okay, so you need to ensure that in between this body of the candle, there is no trading activity. Okay, something like that's why you see a gap over here. The candlesticks, the wicks are not overlapping one another. So what I meant is, if we go back, you can take a look at this. If I zoom in this part for you, okay, the first and third candle doesn't really matter. Most importantly is the second candle. Okay, can you see this one is your first candle, okay? And then the wick actually wick over here. Then your third candle, the wick is right here. So in between, can you see this huge green color body? So that's why you just measure from here to here, and this one will become your zone now. But of course, if you don't use it purely, you know, go and spot FVG only, I think you will die really badly. The way I use it is I look at wave structure. Then I see, you know, where it can go to all that before I buy inside that zone. So I show you one example. I think AMD recently got very nice FVG, but they are those all the very dangerous ones. I show you where is AMD? AMD, I think there's quite a few, is it? Wait, I think 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours. You see, AMD also got one more here. Okay, and you look at this. When I draw here, you spot 1 FVG, 2 FVG, 3 FVG. Which FVG will actually hold? Okay, this is the question you have to ask yourself. 3 zone, which one will hold? This is where things gets more interesting. I think Palantir also have a lot of this type of zone, same as Nvidia. Nvidia also has a lot. Yeah, Nvidia easily. Here you can spot like really super duper a lot already. So normally I like to combine with wave pattern before I buy them. What price I enter? What price? What stock is that just now? Oh, you, okay. What price you want to enter? Okay, Braveheart, this is actually an aggressive trade. It's really aggressive trade. If you want to enter, you can try anything below 23.82, anything between 23.82 to about 23.66. After that, you just place a stop loss here. It's a very tight trade. Then why you do that, right, is because you want it to come down after it straight away fire off. If you don't see this coming, right, within the next 1 or 2 days, take off the trade. Likely the criteria fail already. Yes, 23.82 to 23.66. Then stop loss is about 22.85 to 22.9 should be fine. Isn't really a strict rule. FVG don't have a strict rule because normally what they like to trade using smart money concepts is order block, liquidity, FVG. Usually these are the three. But I do notice a lot of times the FVG doesn't hold very well. Okay, and I think I can show you some example. We can try to go and hunt. Okay, I can hunt a lot of FVG for you. And then you look at it, you're like, why all doesn't hold one? Then which one do you do? Which one will actually hold? Amazon have or not? Yeah, like Amazon, I show you this area. You see, there's super a lot here though. Here got one. Okay. And then here got one more. After that, anywhere else? Here also got one more. Wait, let me see. Okay, these are all the smaller ones. You see? Then here also got one more. Just based on this data itself, you got so many which level actually holds. Correct? You see easily on the chart, you can find this many FVG. It's really not much of an issue. And then even back then, you see here also got, this one, no, this one doesn't fulfill, so this one is okay. Yeah, something like that lah. Then they like to, combine with order block. Have you all heard about order block? Oh, okay, I remember this part now. I thought if when you attend the course, you will look at Amazon, this part, 100%. Okay, this part, you will learn about all this. Then... yeah, this is also another one. You can see I can show you a lot. Like over here to here. This is also another FVG. Okay. And then if you want, you can also use this red color one. This one is your order block. Okay. Then this gap up. If you really want, this can be a super huge FVG also. So there are many all these zones, but you need to know which one can actually hold. That's the most important thing. Thoughts on ACHR. That's why when you attend the course, right, SMC is the last strategy that you learn, because you will learn all the, in front part first. You get a good understanding already, lastly, then you use SMC. SMC, I feel that standalone is not a very, very useful strategy. I feel so lah. Thoughts on ACHR. ACHR. Okay, ACHR. Possible you are still in a triangle though. Really possible. If you are, but right now there's no direction, there's no clear direction. So what you can do, right, is that you set the alert for both trend lines and see which one got triggered first. But of course, right now price is very, very near to trend line. So if you want, you can set the alert slightly a little bit lower, maybe $9.70, and then you set one more alert for ACHR over here. So you see which one get triggers first. So if you have a break up or breakdown, you can take either one of the trade. Okay. Then Hive. Oh, went up quite a lot, huh? How about the weekly? Hive. Okay, bro, if you're in this trade, I would say that a very, very, very conservative target. I think you can try to target maybe about $2.75. Anything after this, right? I think you are in a really, really good trade already. Yeah, because this is the part, you know. If you put on the trend line, if this stock Hive can go all the way until here, breakout, right? I think likely you will see the huge big move. The big move may be something like this type, you know. Really like this type. Okay, Braveheart, see you tomorrow. See you. Pepsi. Pepsi. Pepsi looks quite good for upside. Really quite good. Maybe this is the start of the new up move though. And yeah, I think possible. Let's see. Cannot all in lah. All in. I can only tell you my thoughts, and then you know you go and analyze, and after that you see whether you want to buy or not. You want to all in? You die, I die, everyone die together. Yeah, if Pepsi, I will wait. Okay, I will wait for some consolidation before I buy again. Okay, random. You still here or not? You still here? I want to show you another one. Just now was Hive. I forget. I saw it and then after that, I totally forgotten about it. Are you still here? Okay, I think he no go do his work liao. What time already? 12:10. 12:10. Okay lah, guys. Today we live stream until 12:30. Okay, I think a lot of people are tired already. Okay, I'm also tired. And coming here every day is really not easy one. It's really, really not easy. Then today I also went to attend of my friend's class because he teach about how to become an influencer, all that, and he says something wow, really it strikes the right point. It's like sometimes you just don't feel very good, like you just feel like taking a break, you don't feel like doing anything, but because of all the commitments, right, you have to turn up. So my friend, because he shoot videos every day, I think he shoot about 2 videos, and then he did mention that like whenever he create content, right, sometimes he just doesn't have the mood to create, but he got no choice. And then I asked him, how you make yourself motivated? Like sometimes I also like maybe I don't feel very good, I also don't do any videos. And I asked him how you motivate yourself to actually continue to shoot the video. Then he just tell me that, oh, I tell myself, Lord, I have a leaf in my house. A leaf, like an elevator or elevator in your house, a leaf in his house. So he said he got no choice. See, I need to pay for the maintenance of the house, pay for the maintenance of the leaf. Okay, so I got no choice. I have to keep continuing shooting the video. Laugh until I want to die. They tell me the maintenance guy coming today already. You know how much or not? Every 3 months need to do some servicing. Every 1 year need to renew the permit. Yeah. Yeah, this is something he told me. Like I said, a lot of people don't see the behind stuff that you are doing. Coming up every day, showing up every day, that kind. Sometimes we are all human. Sometimes you just feel not motivated to do anything, but you still have to show up. Then he tell me he always think about the leaf maintenance. He actually stays inside a condo, but the condo I think is huge enough that got a lift directly access into his condo. My house one lift also don't have. I tell him bro, my house also got lift, but outside only just is inside the house. But he used that to, it sounds ridiculous to most of the people here. But he told me, I was like, huh? You have a lift inside your house? I said, well, how you use this as motivation? Then after he told me he need to service, need to maintain and everything. But overall, okay, it's something that is personal to him, something that, will propel him forward and keep going on. It's a type of motivation for himself. So he keep repeating to himself, I have a lift inside my house. Then he also tell me I need to go and find a motivator so I can keep turning up every day again and again and again. Because I think he has quite a lot of followers, and then he has videos that hit 1 million views, all that. He's my real estate friend. I went to go and ask him how he do all this. But he also told me the only thing that he starts to gain traction, starts to have followers, people believe in him and everything, where he get all his referral business, is because of consistency. The only one thing, consistency, showing up every single day. That's it already. You see, whatever you say in your video, all that is not important. He said, you just have to keep filming videos, doing videos. Then he tell me if I do live stream, I need to come here every single day for 5 years. And I told you, hey, hello, I only giving myself 2 years lah. 5 years, you okay or not? Hi, what happened to my visa? Can go up or not? Go up, don't come down anymore, okay? Visa. Okay, guys, really, market got nothing else, huh? You have any more questions or not? If don't have, you want to end the live stream? Today, like, very, very slow though. Okay. SPY make all new time high again. Okay, can continue to go up. Nice. Okay lah, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, if I have more time, maybe we start before NFP, okay? Since tomorrow is a half day, maybe we can try, 8:15. Okay, I try. Tomorrow come at 8:15, huh? Then we watch NFP together. Yeah, I'm also going to rest early tonight lah. Nothing much to do over here. Market is slow. But Nvidia wasted. AMD, okay. Okay lah. Thank you guys. Thank you. Love you. Good night. Okay, take care. Rest early, everyone. Bye-bye. Random, here no banana fest, huh?